Facts in brevity are that the plaintiff hereinafter referred to as the petitioner instituted a suit for specific performance of an agreement to sell executed on a stamp paper dated 22/1/2013, which was in continuation of previous agreement to sell executed on a stamp paper dated 3/7/2012, whereby the defendant, namely Muhammad Shabir Naveed, substituted through legal heir after his demise, hereinafter referred to as the respondent, agreed to sell plot numbers 1 and 2 measuring 5 marlas each, bearing Khewat number 151/154, Khatuni number 316, situated at Chak number 62F, Tehsil Hasilpur, District Bahawalpur, as per record of rights for the years 2009-10, for a consideration of rupees 600,000, with the contention that the respondent was owner in possession of land measuring 3 canals and 5 marlas in a joint khata consisted upon 21 canals, 4 marlas, that the respondent was selling the property referred supra by making residential plots with proper site plan, full stop. New paragraph. In presence of the witnesses and got its receipt that as per terms and conditions of said agreement to sell, he contacted the respondent for transfer of the sued property in his name, but he avoided to do so on the excuse of being busy, that the respondent told him that there are some hurdles with regard to the transfer of the said plots, and executed another agreement to sell on 22/1/2013 in pursuance of the previous agreement to sell by maintaining the land is situated in a joint khata which is yet to be partitioned with the other shareholders, and in this regard a suit for partition is pending adjudication before the court. Therefore, he cannot perform the agreement by receiving the remaining consideration amount, full stop. New paragraph. However, he bounded himself that after partition of the Khewat he will inform him and will also transfer the sued property by receiving remaining consideration amount, that he also undertook to give statement before the concerned revenue officer for transfer of the sued property, that the respondent received further consideration amount of rupees 22,000 in presence of the witnesses, and executed a receipt in his favor. That suit for partition, titled as Shabir Ahmed etc. versus Kashif Nazir etc., was pending before the learned civil court, that he contacted the respondent time and again and persisted for transfer of the sued property, made excuse of pending suit, but finally refused to do so 1 week prior to the institution of the suit, and prayed for decree of the suit, full stop.